sure what you want to do, really.
Maybe.
It's okay, we had it
Maybe
fixed today, it's fine. I think.
I did before I was here, now that I'm here, I'm like...
Thanks. I wouldn't have...
My butt knees annoying me. Alright, you wouldn't do it again? You just had it?
It's pretty scary. Six times today.
6 times? Oh no.
I'm a
Why? Okay. Is this in... I want this to be tighter. I'm gonna fly on this. Why is this so hard? Can we get a 3, 2, 1? Can we get a 3, 2, 1? I'm not happy right now. I think he's just gonna press it whenever he wants.
You guys want to count down?
Yes.
Keep your head back. Ready? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
He's not doing it. Oh my god! Oh wow! What is jingling? Oh, it's my hair. That was so much fun. To keep crying a little bit. Stop going back. Jesus. This is a nice view. Oh yeah, nice view. You know, take it all in. That was fun. I want to do it again. Hello. I forgot. Oh man. I knew he was going to do that with the countdown. Do you want to count down? Yes, 3, 2, 1. I'm not going to count down for you. So we do it here. Did you scream? Yes. I did. I think I did. But then I screamed like, maybe like halfway up. Maybe. Maybe. While we're in the seat. Do you want to do it again? Yeah. We're going again!
Yeah, no hands this time though, you got to hold your hands up.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
I let go up the top. Really? Like this?
That's the rule, yeah, from the bottom, no hands.
Oh my god!
You're watching.
Oh my god. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. I'm going to be like, can I do it like this? Like hold on like Okay, good. I'm going to do it like this. Still holding on. Oh god. And out. Spirit fingers. Spirit fingers. Because that's where we're going. We're going to see the spirits.
I'll do it properly this time.
Liar.
You do it properly this time.
Just gonna get 3 bow. I can see
Ready?
it.
3, 2. Upside down, but that. I like going upside down. My mouth is so dry. Hello! These people are on the balcony. Oh my god. Not going for French. We owe them $20. Oh, we do. I forgot. Oh, that chafed so bad. My skin got stuck to this and it was going... We'll just keep riding the whole night long. I don't remember if I screamed that time either. I didn't scream until we started. going upside down.
I remember.
Better the second time or the first time?
Both.
Yeah, but it's just great.
You better give someone else a turn now.
Yeah.
Probably. The kids are crying because they couldn't get on.
Oh, poor little.
So memories.
Under the belt, yeah? And lift the hands up.
Ooh.
Have a good one.
Bruise! Yes! Battle wounds!
Come take a seat, guys.